Hello everybody, welcome to Cory Turner Talks Cars. And could you imagine wrecking an exotic car? How about one you don't own? How about wrecking an exotic car that nobody owns? Okay, got your interest up? We're going to talk about that today on the show. But first, let's talk about today's sponsor. That is C&D Automotive. They're located in Keller, Texas. You've heard me talk about them before. I have taken my cars to them since 1995. If you're a math major and you do your quick math, you'll find out that is a lot of years. I wasn't a math major, but if you are needing your car taken care of, you can trust C&D Automotive. I've taken my car there for a long time, and we've had some fans of the show, some viewers here on the show, who have taken their car to C&D Automotive and have saved a ton of money compared to some of the other places that have charged some crazy things. If you want to get a mechanic that's going to treat you right and be fair and honest, then C&D Automotive is the place to go. Okay, so we just said, could you imagine wrecking an exotic car? That would be horrible. Or how about wrecking an exotic car that wasn't yours? That's probably worse. How about one that no one owns? Well, how can that happen? You wrecked a car that was sitting on an exotic car lot. So I was going through Facebook and someone had posted this, and there's a gentleman by the name of Paul. How you doing, Paul? Shout out to you. He had a really bad day. It could really qualify for Friday Funnies, but I thought, you know what, we're going to do a show on it today. Friday Funnies is actually tomorrow. Be sure to tune into Friday Funnies tomorrow. But let's take a look at poor Paul and what happened to Paul. Okay, so I've got it right here. I've got it right here. Let's start it up. I'm going to read you his post and kind of what happened. It says, great. Someone just sideswiped me, causing me to run into a $350,000 car, which then went through the building's window or glass and hit another car inside that was just the same. Now in this picture you're going to find out that it was a silver one outside. Look at that. Oh, that is so bad. Look at the damage on the back. Oh, that is terrible. But it went through the windows. You can see the window is crashed there, and it smashed into an orange one that was sitting inside. It said this happened at a dealership in Scottsdale, so Scottsdale, Arizona. It said, ouch, glad it wasn't my fault. Your boy would be filing bankruptcy in the quickness. So, Paul had a super bad day. Let's look at some of that again. Oh, that's just terrible. Yeah, so apparently he was on that road there. Got sideswiped, hit the front of that McLaren. Look at the damage. Gosh, that is so bad. Oh, that is so bad, man. So what did he say? A $350,000 car hit another $350,000 car, took out the window, plus the damage to his car. I don't know, guys. That's a bad day. I'm gonna have to say that's a pretty bad day. Oh, you know, the owner of the car lot was like, or the car lot people were like, oh no. Wouldn't want to be the manager on duty when that went down. So anyway, if you've had a similar situation that you've wrecked a car, like I was dating a girl one time and she had gone to the dealership, bought a Mitsubishi Eclipse Spider, and actually had an accident on the way home. So that was super sad. I laugh when people hurt themselves. But anyway, it was super sad. If you've had an experience like that, be sure to leave me a comment. Let me know what happened. I'd like to hear the horror story on that. If you know anybody else that have had an accident at a dealership, be sure to let me know. As a matter of fact, not too long ago, we talked about somebody who, you know, Ford has the dial transmission and they didn't put it into park and crashed a Mustang GT into a Ford truck and did all kinds of damage. You hear the horror stories, I want to hear your stories. So if that's happened to you or you know someone that it's happened to, be sure to let me know. If you're looking for a mechanic, check out C&D Automotive in Keller. They are fantastic. We only need 10 more subscribers to hit 400 subscribers. Thank you all so much for sharing the show. To those of you that have earned your license plates, if you want to know how to earn your license plate, just visit me at CoryTurnerTalks.com. There's some instructions there on what's happening so you can become a big fan and earn your license plate. So remember to like, comment, and share. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And let's talk about cars tomorrow.